Hey guys, we got, heh, well, got a foot mode. We brought over two of them. The sandy one, Blue Cup destroyed it by mistake. So, yeah, it did have me, Blue Cup forgot the pencil, so, gave me a special one instead. And, Blue Cup lost the rubber bit. So, I looked in the bag, nothing. So, I'm gonna get this thing to whack. This thing's stupid. Alright guys, can see it on the audio, but I moved my lamp. Here we go. Foxtail mode, huh? I see about that. Too fancy. But that's what I guess that's what Blue Cup in here for. Just for rivaling stuff, I guess. Huh. This thing's stupid, I don't know why. Oh, I'm tipping it. What happened? I accidentally knocked my stick over and then it's making a weird sound out of it. What is that all about, huh? I wonder what's that for? It seems stupid. What else he gave me? Oh, rubbish. Man, that's stupid. They're useless. I'll try my wood pencil. Let's try it. Nope. Nothing? Maybe I should whip it. Nah. Maybe the hand. Fancy hand. I thought Blue Cup got a new one. Gave me the old one, I guess.